Welcome back to our channel. Now we are discussing on Securities Exchange Board of India moves complete digital and end of the physical dispatch of annual reports and notices under LODR regulations. In this session, we will walk through the origin, evolution, and final implementation of SEBI's regulatory roadmap, that is, ending the era of mandatory physical dispatch of annual reports and notices. We will explore the regulatory journey and analyze the key amendments. We'll see the background, historical practice. For decades, listed companies were mandated to send physical copies of notices, financial statements, and annual reports to shareholders, especially those who did not have registered email IDs. This led to high costs and delays and significant paper consumption. And even in pandemic, we saw in COVID-19 pandemic catalyzed a shift, a complete shift. And there were temporary relaxations by SEBI and MCA, permitted electronically only dispatches and virtual AGMs. This proved to be benefits, efficient, timely, and environmentally responsible. Then SEBI's vision, encouraged by the success of digital transitions during the pandemic, SEBI has committed to formalizing and mainstreaming electronic communication through regulatory amendments. We'll see key regulatory amendments under the SEBI LODR. Regulation 36(1)(b), annual reports for shareholders without email IDs. Then old position, the companies were required to send abridged physical copies of the annual report to the shareholders who had not registered their email addresses. This is the old position. Then amended position, effective from December 12, 2024, companies must now send a simple letter to such shareholders stating that the full annual report is available at specific link URL. No need to send physical abridged reports. The implications: cost saving on printing and postage, digital first approach formalized, shareholders encouraged to register email IDs, and mandatory hosting of key documents on company website. SEBI has made it mandatory for listed entities to host the documents on their official website. What are those documents? Notices and AGM, EGM documents, and financial results and reports, annual reports, full version. Policies like dividend distribution policy, risk management policy, and MOA, AOA, as per 12th December 2024 amendments, and employee benefit scheme details. Objective is to reduce the need for physical inspection and ensure easy public access to material information because it is available on website. Even in SEBI's consultation paper on Regulation 12 towards 100% electronic payments. If you see the highlights, SEBI's consultation paper dated September 20th, 2024, proposed amendments to Regulation 12. The goal is to eliminate checks, demand drafts, and even payable at par warrants. Instead, only electronic payment mode should be used for dividends, even interest, and redemption payouts. The board approval, that is Securities Exchange Board, approved this proposal on December 18th, 2024. So the formal LODR amendment is expected soon. The implications for companies: mandatory collection of shareholders' bank details and electronic payment mandates, increased reliance on RTA, that is Registrar Transfer Agent, to update shareholder database. We'll see the legal framework supporting the digital transition. Section 20 of Companies Act 2013, which allows service of documentation electronically if shareholder consents. Even Rule 18 of Companies Management and Administration Rules 2014 enables companies to send AGM notices and annual reports via email. And SEBI circular from 2022, 2024, 2020, 2024. There are so many circulars between this period. So multiple circulars during the pandemic period eased compliance for electronic only modes, only in electronic modes. So these temporary measures now evolved into permanent rules. Even environmental and governance, environmental and governance benefits. The paperless compliance, reduced paper usage aligns with ESG principles and cost efficiency because saves companies lakhs in printing and postage annually. And speed and reliability because digital communication is faster and traceable. Ease of access. Shareholders can download and retain documents easily. And there should be a compliance checklist like email database. Proactively encourage shareholders to register or update their email IDs and use SMS, IVR, website banners, and printed forms to facilitate email registration and draft and dispatch information letters. For shareholders without email IDs, ensure the dispatch of letters, providing a URL to download the complete annual report. And website updates, upload updated MOA, UOA, schemes under employee benefit plans, and other required documents placed on the website of the company. And digital payment readiness, coordinate with RTS to capture bank account details, ensure dividend and interest payments are electronically processed. Yes, of course, there are challenges. If senior shareholders, then it's a little difficult. Provide helpline numbers and physical support centers. Continue sending communication through SMS, voice calls for awareness. And another challenge, cyber security. So implement strong access controls and the SSM for posted documents. Monitor download traffic to detect suspicious activity. And audit trail maintenance, maintain email logos, delivery confirmations and bounce reports. Retain records for proof of compliance during audit. So the disclaimer is this video is intended to provide a general regulatory insights as of the date of the recording. So it does not constitute any of professional advice. We have two channels, RR Corporates and RR Legal Talks. Please do subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of the latest videos. Thank you.